In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type an email in Hindi in Gmail. Start by signing in to your Gmail account on a desktop browser. Once you're on the inbox, look to the top right and click the cogwheel icon to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab. At the top, you'll see the language section. If you want the entire Gmail interface to appear in Hindi, open the drop-down and select Hindi. This is optional, but it will change labels like the Compose button into Hindi. Next, in the same section, check the box that says Enable Input Tools. This is the key setting that lets you type in Hindi, even if your interface stays in English. Now click Edit Tools. A window opens with two lists: Available Input Tools on the left and Selected Input Tools on the right. Scroll through the list and find Hindi. Click it, then click the right arrow to add it to the selected list. Also add Devanagari phonetic and Devanagari in script. Use the right arrow each time so they move into selected input tools. Phonetic lets you type Hindi by using English letters and automatically converts them to Hindi, which is great for most people. InScript is a standard Hindi keyboard layout, useful if you already know it. Once you've added them, click OK to confirm. Back on the General Settings page, review the language section to make sure input tools are enabled. Then scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Gmail may briefly reload so the changes take effect. Return to your inbox. If you set the interface to Hindi, the Compose button now appears as Likhi. Click it to start a new message. In the Compose window, click into the To field, which may appear as Panewala when the interface is in Hindi. Now you can type your email in Hindi. If you selected Devanagari phonetic, try typing a word like Namaste, and you'll see Namaste appear. If you selected InScript, use the corresponding key positions for each Hindi character. Tip: look for the keyboard or input tools icon in the message window to switch between English and your Hindi input methods on the fly. If you don't see the Hindi options, double-check that Enable Input Tools is ticked and that you clicked Save Changes. And that's how you change to Hindi and write an email in Gmail.